Picture this. You're at the gas pump, watching the numbers climb, knowing you're bleeding money on oil changes, brake jobs, and sudden check engine lights. But here's the secret nobody tells you. Most of that money didn't need to be spent. Today on Infinite Garage, I'm handing you 15 real, tested hacks mechanics wish you didn't know. Stick around, because number 12 alone could save you more than half this list combined. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. Stop guessing your tire pressure. Grab a $5 tire gauge, keep it in your glove box, and use it once a month. Underinflated tires wear out faster on the edges, overwork your engine, and quietly kill your gas mileage. Taking 2 minutes a month to air up pays you back every single time you hit the pump. Number 2. Buy a cheap OBD2 scanner. This is a genuine game changer. For $20 online, it plugs right under your dashboard. Next time that check engine light turns on, don't panic. Read the code yourself. Half the time, it's just a loose gas cap or a sensor needing a reset, and you just saved yourself a $100 shop diagnostic fee. Number 3. Follow the manual, not the dealership. Find your owner's manual and read the maintenance schedule. The schedule written by the engineers who built your car is very different from the one the service center hands you. Dealerships love pushing flushes and filters you don't need yet. Read the manual, stick to their timeline, and you'll spot the upsell coming from a mile away. Number 4. Rotate your own tires. If you've got a jack, a lug wrench, and about 30 minutes on a Saturday, you've got everything you need. Shops charge $30, $40 just to swap your tires front to back, and it genuinely takes them 10 minutes. Do it yourself every 6,000 miles or so, and your tires will wear evenly and last you way longer, which means you're not shelling out for a new set nearly as often. Number 5. And honestly, this one's my favorite because people never believe it works until they try it. Toothpaste on your headlights. I'm serious. That cloudy, yellowed, foggy-looking headlight lens that makes your car look 10 years older than it is? Grab some non-gel white toothpaste, an old rag, and a little elbow grease, and buff it in circles. That cloudiness starts disappearing right in front of you. Compare a $2 tube of toothpaste to buying a whole new headlight assembly, which can run you $100, $200 per side. Same result, completely different price tag. Number 6. Keep a small box of baking soda in your trunk, always. Battery terminals corrode over time. That crusty white and green buildup you've probably seen and just ignored. Mix a little baking soda with water, scrub it on with an old toothbrush, and it neutralizes that corrosion instantly. A clean connection means your battery actually delivers power the way it's supposed to, which means you're not paying for a brand new battery when the old one was perfectly fine the whole time. It just needed a cleaning. This is honestly one of the most common reasons cars won't start on a cold morning, and it gets misdiagnosed as a dead battery constantly, when really it was just a dirty connection the whole time. Number 7. WD-40 isn't just for that one squeaky door hinge. Before winter really sets in, spray it along the rubber seals around your doors, trunk, and windows. It keeps that rubber from freezing solid and cracking overnight. Cracked seals let in cold air, road noise, even water, and replacing them is not a cheap fix. 1 can of WD-40 and 5 minutes of your time protects seals that would otherwise cost you real money down the road. Number 8. Change your own wiper blades. I know, the first time you try it, it feels like some kind of puzzle, but once you've done it once, it's a genuine 2-minute job. Even better, most auto parts stores will install the blades for free if you buy them there in the parking lot. So really, there's zero excuse to ever pay a shop a labor fee just to swap a wiper blade again. Number 9. And this one is completely free money sitting on the table. Check for open recalls on your vehicle. Head to the NHTSA website, punch in your VIN number, takes about 30 seconds. If there's an open recall, the dealership is legally required to fix it at no charge to you. Period. No negotiation needed. So many people are out there paying out of pocket for a repair that was already covered, simply because they never bothered to check. We're talking airbag sensors, fuel pumps, even seatbelt mechanisms. Real safety-related parts that get recalled way more often than most people realize, and every single one of them gets fixed for free once you know to ask. Number 10. Do your own engine air filter and cabin air filter. Both of them usually just pop right out with no tools required, and I mean that. Some cars you literally just unclip a lid and swap it. A dirty engine filter is quietly choking your engine and killing your fuel economy without you noticing. A dirty cabin filter is exactly why your AC smells like a gym locker every time you turn it on. The filters themselves cost $10–15 each, but the labor charge to have a shop swap them often costs more than both filters combined. Number 11. Shop your car insurance rate every single year, no exceptions. Insurance companies count on your loyalty, because loyalty doesn't get you a discount, it just means you're quietly paying more every year while brand new customers walk in and get the good introductory rates. Spend 10 minutes once a year comparing a few quotes online, and you could be saving yourself hundreds of dollars annually for doing basically nothing. Number 12. The one I promised you at the top, and yeah, it's a big one. Stop overpaying on oil changes. Learn to do it yourself if you're comfortable, or at the very least, stop changing your oil more often than your car actually needs. Check your owner's manual, because most modern cars are rated for 5, 6, even 7,500 miles between changes now. Not that old 3,000-mile rule your dad probably taught you. That's outdated advice for engines from decades ago. Stretch that out to the real recommended interval. Do it yourself with a $15 filter and a jug of oil, and you're talking about serious savings stacked up over a full year of driving. Do the math with me for a second. A quick lube place charges you somewhere around $70–80 a visit, and if you're going in every 3,000 miles instead of every 7,000, you're basically paying for more than double the oil changes you actually need. Stretch the interval and do it yourself, and that same year of driving might cost you $30–40 total instead of $200–300. Number 13. Keep a sunshade in your car and actually use the thing. Don't just leave it in the trunk. Constant sun exposure cracks your dashboard, fades your seats, and straight up destroys your interior's resale value over time. A $7 folding sunshade protects an interior that would otherwise cost you hundreds, sometimes thousands, to repair or replace down the line. Number 14. Vinegar and water makes a perfectly good windshield washer fluid in a pinch. Mix it in the right ratio, and it cuts through bug guts and road grime just as well as the store-bought stuff for a tiny fraction of the price. Just a heads up, in freezing climates you'll want to check your ratio or stick with the store-bought fluid during winter months so it doesn't freeze up on you. Number 15, and this one costs you absolutely nothing, just drive smoother. Less slamming on the brakes, less flooring it from every single stoplight like you're trying to win a race you're not actually in. Smooth, gradual acceleration and braking can genuinely improve your fuel economy by 10–15%. That's real money back in your gas tank every single week for the rest of the time you own that car, and it costs you nothing but a little patience. If this video helped you out even a little bit, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people just like you. Drop a comment and let me know which hack you're trying first. I read every single one of them, and I'll see you in the next one.